Welcome to J&J Auto, contested video of S9CE183. Today we are checking out a 2009 Chevrolet 2500 HD Duramax. Let me know, we got the hood open here. 145,313 miles on it. A black leather truck with heated seats in the front. Really nice condition all the way around. We got some nice door panels back here. Thank you, Copart, for throwing those in there. They're worth their weight in gold. For this truck, she's a beaut. It's a really, really good unit here. Look at that, she's charging away. I'm gonna let it idle. Go ahead and get this jump box on out of here. Unplug her from life support. Very nice condition. It came in not running. We had to bleed out the fuel filter housing. I imagine it just sat at the auction for a minute. Get rid of that can of go-go juice because we were trying everything. Beautiful condition though. Very light front end tap. Basically took out the headlights in the front bumper. The hood's good. The fenders are good. What a shame. What an absolute shame. A beauty of a unit. Look at those amp research running boards. This thing's nice. Besides that door handle. All right. I said Duramax under the hood, navigation. Okay. That thing was somewhere in Pennsylvania Avenue when she was wrecked. Let's zoom out. Where were you wrecked at? In Washington, D.C., right in front of the White House. Oh man, that's awesome. That is too funny. This thing was literally wrecked in front of the White House. Anyways, let's go ahead and test out some parts here. Driver's side tow mirror. She got some tints on her, boys. Man, she got some tints on her. Look at that. Nice condition rear view mirror. Console. Everything's in really, really nice shape here. Heated seats working on my end. Power windows are all working. Go ahead and test out the old gears. Backup camera. Reverse. Drive. You know what? Let's be frisky. Let's put her in 4 low. Let's see what we got. I heard it. Oh yeah, we're in 4 low now. What about 4 high? Can we complete the shift? She's in 4 high now too. Now back to 2-wheel drive. Yeah. Everything is working on this unit. She is an absolute beauty. I'm gonna leave her running though for a hot second because we need her to charge up. Power seats. We're gonna have to fix that lumbar switch. Everything else is working. Let's roll on over to the passenger side, see how that's going. Look at that, amp research running boards again. Passenger seat is working great as well. Whoa, a little bit scary there. Well guys, that's all I got. That is going to conclude the J&J Auto contest video of S9CE183. You guys know the gig if you've been here for a while. Head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. And remember, as always guys, Bitcoin saves your wealth, Jesus saves your soul, seatbelts save lives. Make sure you got all 3 before you hit the road. Thanks for watching guys.